Use PDF2QBO to convert PDF to QBO, Web Connect, and import into QuickBooks. Start PDF2QBO converter, and open a PDF file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Set INTU.BID number to match your bank, or use a default value. Set the account ID number and the account type. For multiple accounts, use a different account ID for each account. In QuickBooks, disconnect the account from online services first, if needed. To import a QBO file, select File, Import, Web Connect, select Created QBO file, and select an existing account to import transactions. Open bank feeds, and assign vendor records, and expense, income accounts, and add transactions to the register.